Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy we are cooking our Easter dinner. Normally I make a big feast, but today I'm not. Today we're just doing a simple dinner. We're just doing ham. I bought a ham to make, and I'm going to do some baked beans, and I'm going to make my cheesy potato casserole, hash brown casserole, whatever you want to call it. It is, those three things together are amazing. I don't know what it is about the taste of those three together, but it's just like taking a bite of this, taking a bite of that, and it's really super good. I also found a, Roscoe, you all right? I also found a little turkey breast that I laid out that I was going to cook today as well, because, you know, I thought I was going to have my kids home, my two boys, but you know, with everything the way it is, it's probably not a good idea. So we're just going to kind of wait it out and do our part in social distancing. So it's just going to be myself, my husband, and Olivia today. So that's all I'm doing. I'd much rather it be where we have a ton of people here, but it is what it is. Maybe a few months down the road we can you know, have everybody together again, and I really can't wait for that. But it's going to be so super simple. Let me show you my ham here, and I'm going to show you how I do mine. I don't remember what brand this is. This might be a Cook's ham, but it's the one with the bone in it, and I really like the one with the bone in it. But all I'm going to put in mine today, I've got my oven preheated to about 375. Hams are already cooked, as you know, so all you really have to do is let them heat through. I love ham. Let's push that back there. I've got a few, 3 of these little small cans of the Dole pineapple juice. I'm going to add, I heated it, I just put it in my measuring cup. Alright, you guys. They're over there fighting over a stick. But I've heated this up here, and I'm going to add some marshmallows. I heated it just enough to melt the marshmallows, but I like to put in my ham brown sugar, pineapples, or pineapple juice, and marshmallows. I like to make mine nice and sweet. Some people put cloves in theirs. I'm not a fan of cloves, never have been. So I'm just going to add some marshmallows to that. And that's really nice and warm, so it should melt those. And if not, you know, the oven will melt it. The oven will do its thing. I'm going to put a couple big tablespoons of brown sugar. About 2 or 3. And then just stir it. I like to do it till I know when it's right, because my pineapple juice kind of turns nice and brown. Like I said, these marshmallows will, they will melt as the ham bakes, so it's going to be so good. Some people put nutmeg on it. I don't like nutmeg on it. I like nutmeg in the sweet potatoes. And then I'm just going to kind of drape that over there. You know what? I'm going to need some more foil, because I want to make sure that it's nice and covered. Alright, I'm going to put this in the oven, like I said, about 375 degrees. I'm going to let it just cook in there, probably for about an hour and a half, maybe. It just has to heat through, but I can't wait to have some. My party tray. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what I was left in my yard last night. Turn it around here. Let's turn the other way. Hold it up, Lib. Look at that. Somebody put in my yard, "You've been egged." Look at that. It's so nice. It says, "These eggs are hidden in your yard. Some pink, some yellow, some blue. Finding them shouldn't be too hard, filled with treats for you. Don't be alarmed when you find an empty egg. Just a reminder of the empty tomb. Jesus has risen. Happy Easter." I thought that was the neatest thing. And then, whoops. Girl. Let's place that back down in there. Gotta watch it out here. There was a snake out here the other day. And look, they got little eggs with candy in them. And there's another little egg there as I'm about to fall. And they've just hidden eggs in different places. I mean, just a few of them. There's probably like 5 or 6 around the trees. Look at that. And some of them's full of candy, and some of them's not. And there's another one over there. Now this, look at that. Another little one. I just thought that was the neatest thing, that somebody would do something so nice. Actually, it says it's from the churches from one of our local little towns here. There's another egg. Look, somebody must have been eating it. And another egg. And they even put them in the trees up there.
Can we collect them?
Yeah, you can collect them. And look, they put this one in the tree. Look at that. And I'm going to show you something else that was done yesterday. We come home from the grocery store, and this was in our yard. Look at that. I just can't believe that they done that. I'm telling you, it brought me to tears. All right, my ham has been in the oven for about an hour and a half, and I'm going to turn it down a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and start on my baked beans. And I've got this recipe already on my channel, so we're just talking today, so. Because normally I use whatever grease is rendered in the bacon, because I'm going to put bacon and onions in here, chopped up bacon and onions, and fry them. But I don't know, I might have to pour some of the grease off. I probably should have waited to put grease in there to see how much I'm going to need. Onions and bacon, and we're going to put that in there. I'll just chop these up. Just cut them up, dice them up. Not dice them. Ain't nothing diced about that bacon, is it? And these are the best baked beans. And I'm just going to fry this up. I'm going to add a lot of pepper to it. Alright, this is super easy and super delicious. I am just using the country style hash browns. The frozen, ones you get frozen. I like my nice big dollar store bowl there. This is so good, absolutely delicious. My family loves this. And we're going to use some French onion. French onion dip. I'm going to use a little bit more. That was just a half of a container that we had, so. I'm going to turn my bacon down. And we're going to use a couple spoons of that, big spoons.
I didn't know you were making that like score. Look at all those chiplets we got.
Huh?
I didn't know you were making that like score. Look at all those chiplets you got.
Yeah. Well, no, you got 1.5. I'm going to put some minced onion in it. I don't have much in here, but.
Oh, I think I need that minced onion
I got.
for my recipe. No, maybe it was real onion.
Say what? Did he say for his recipe?
Yep. Secret.
It's a secret. But I'm sure we'll be doing it for you.
Will not be on video.
It will be on video.
It will not be on video.
It will.
It won't.
I'm going to put some pepper in this.
Secret.
It's a secret that we're going to share with our YouTube family.
No.
Yes.
I'm a Franks. I don't share.
That's right. You got that right. He's a Frank, he don't share. All right, what else do we put in this? Oh, my bacon's a burning. All right, and then I'm going to use 1 can of the cream of chicken soup. You could use cream of mushroom if you wanted. Actually, I've used both before, because usually when I make this, I make it a double batch of it. That's how much it's loved here. And it's really even better heated up the next day, especially in the microwave. It's one of those things that the longer it says, the better it is. then we're gonna add some shredded cheddar. You know what, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder in there as well. This is one of those things that doesn't really look too appealing, but oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how good this stuff is. We're gonna put more in it to make it really delicious. I'm just gonna mix it together. My bacon and my onions are done. It's ready to be poured into my baked beans. Look down in here, you don't wanna see me, look at this. I don't know what it is about this, but I really hate mixing this together. It's like making chocolate cake. Those chocolate cakes. I hate making those chocolate cakes. But I love to eat them. Okay, the rolls are in the oven, which is the very last thing to cook before we can eat. This ham is amazing. I cooked it for, I don't know, hour and a half. It is so good. I put a little bit more brown sugar on it because I like it nice and sweet. Like me. So good. We got about 5 minutes left on the rolls. And then we're gonna make our plates and eat. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. You know I appreciate you guys so very much. I'm still chewing my ham. Happy Easter to all you guys. You know I love you so very much, and I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen.